Hello there, this is James, your Director of Product Support here at Cliently, and in this quick video I'll be discussing Cliently teams and team members and how we can add them to your Cliently account. So found under faq.cliently.com, we'll do a quick search for the word team, hit enter, and we'll come up an article here that says how to use Cliently for a team. So let's go through this together. So what are team members? Team members are additional people you can add to your Cliently account. You can add them, remove them, and assign permissions. To find team members, we go into Cliently settings and team members. Let's go and do that real quickly. So we go into settings and team members right here. Next, we add on team members. We can add additional team members to your individual account depending on the plan that you do have. So we do this by going into Cliently, and right here we click on add team member, and here we type in their full name, their email address, and a different permission level, and we'll go through and talk about these permission levels real quickly here. So the permission levels, we have 4 of them as follows. You have the owner permission, so you cannot add a brand new person as the owner, as you're going to be the owner of the account, which means you have all access to the system. There's your administrator role, which means a permission used to access all parts of Cliently except settings and billing, and they can see all flows, all my clients, including all our team members, and can also allocate credits to teams and team members as well. We have a manager role, which is restricted permissions. They have all access to team members' contact cards, find leads and flows, but they do not have access to settings team members. And then finally, the team member role, this is more of a restricted permission where they can only see their own My Clients. They do not have access to allocate credits and settings team member, and does not have access to settings billing. So it's very, very restrictive with that. And then all you need to do is just fill out that individual's name. You go, for example, set this to administrator, you click on add team member, and this person will receive an email to be invited into the individual account that you have. So next is once a person's been added, we can add and remove the team member credits. So this is very important. So if you want your team member to purchase leads or send out postcards, handwritten notes, or gifts, you need to associate or allocate credits to that person as well. So this is done once again inside of the team member section, and over here on the right hand side, what you need to be concerned about is the team credits. This is how many credits you have specifically for this individual team that you have. And down here at the bottom, all you need to do is go in that individual field. Let's say we want to give this person 50. We put in the individual number, and we press enter on the keyboard, and in turn this person now has 50 credits in order to purchase those fine leads, send out postcards, handwritten notes, and gifts as well. And of course, we also have the ability to remove team members. So just in case you ever need to remove that specific person, all you need to do is just check that individual person right here. We click on the word remove. We do have some additional details. What happens to those individual leads, for example. You can delete all those leads, or you can move those to a specific person as well. This is something that we do recommend that you do so that you don't get lost outside of the Cliently system. And then finally, trying to add new users on Enable. It's possible. It depends on the individual plan that you have. If you try to add additional team members, you might get a blue help message that comes up here. It says upgrade plan, unable to add users. And what you want to do is definitely contact us using this red help button and reach out to us to upgrade your plan so you can add additional team members to your individual account. We also have with the team members the workspaces option as well, so be sure to check that out inside of our FAQ about workspaces, how you can set up multiple workspaces or individual sections of Cliently inside of your master account as well, if you want to split that out across multiple locations or different types of leads and so forth, all available inside of Cliently as well. So this is the video for Cliently and how to use it for a team and how to set up team members. And going forward, if you do have any additional questions or concerns of how to use team members or how to add team members to your Cliently account, please reach out to us by using this red help button, and we'll do our very best to take care of each and every one of you. We thank you so much, and you all have a great day. Bye-bye.